Hi there, it's Andre from London Electrician 24/7. On this video presentation, we are here on Elm Park Gardens. We will fix and remove two immersion heaters, and we will show you how this job goes forward. Thank you so much. So, in this video presentation, we will show you we've got two direct heaters, and then we've got 90 liters direct heater at the main with two heating elements, and we will try to put these two cylinders together in the lock for one of these properties, and we will show you what is there at the moment and what our team will put it back on. Thank you.
We just do a decommission to two cylinders, hot water cylinders, unvented direct cylinders. This is the reason why the cylinders get blocked if is no maintenance. So it's fully blocked. See?
Okay, so we remove one Premier Plus cylinder. We got one more to go. Thank you.
We just drain in the second cylinder, and hopefully we're gonna install the new one.
Okay, so we managed to take the second Premier Plus cylinder out. Thank you.
So we disconnect two of these immersion heaters. These are different. These immersion heaters are very small, 90 liters, and then are with one heating element. These are direct at the mains. So our next mission is to put back same cylinders, but from a different company called Hopson. These are 90 liters direct at the mains, but are with two heating elements. And it's better to have two heating elements in case one of the heating elements break down. You can use the next heating element, which is on the top. So that's a good benefit, having immersion heaters with two heating elements. We will show you next what we're going to do and how we will install the new heaters. So let's see that.
So these two Santon Premier Plus we just disconnected today.
We just start the job to install these two Hopson cylinders, hot water cylinders. This is just the first phase. In this small place, we just install two small cylinders because there's no space. So we have two Hopson direct cylinders, 90 liter each, and now we are ready to commission them. We just pressurize everything, make sure there's not any leaks, and we wait for an electrician to come and just connect the heating elements.
So here are two Hopson water cylinders. So the job is done. We have two Hopson cylinders of 90 liters. The guys just finished the jobs. And there you have it. All the job is done.
Just finished this installation. It's fully commissioned now. Now we just need to hand over the certificates to the owner. Everything is up and running.